Hello, this is a review of the Vikingbags 15999 kit on my 2022 Kawasaki Vulcan 650S. Really like the look of these bags. They've made a big difference for me on what I can take with me on trips and what I can lock when I'm leaving my bike behind and going into a game or a concert or anything like that. They each have a lock and they have a matching key, and you can see the inside of this was really nice leather. The mounting, when I installed it on this bike, I read that in some cases you need to drill holes for these mounts to work. I didn't need to drill any different holes. You can see that I'm using the original holes with the original hardware, but if you look really closely maybe in the video, you can see that that one is a little bit at an angle, so it wasn't quite perfect, but it was definitely doable. I didn't need to drill any holes in the top to make it work. Do need to drill on the bottom for the bottom mount, but you can see the inside here on this one. There's plenty of space. I have a couple of water bottles, my gloves. There's a bag here for additional whatever you want to put in there. This outside piece doesn't lock, of course, it's just a zipper. But anything you put inside here will be locked with that key. And I want to show you on this side, there's enough space in here for my riding jacket. This is a 2XL jacket. The entire thing fits in that left bag, which is perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to be able to put my jacket into a locking case because I've got a lock for my helmet, but didn't have a lock for my jacket. And this Kawasaki soft top thing is great, but it's just held on with Velcro. It can easily be removed and you can walk away with it, but now I don't need to worry about it. If I go somewhere and park, I can put my cargo in these bags, I can lock them up and generally not worry about it. The size I think is really good for this bike. This is kind of a sports touring kind of, it's got the Ninja engine, so I do lean it, and I don't even worry a little bit about those bags touching from the leaning, not at all. Now they do open in. Notice they don't open out, they open in. And they touch this bag a little bit. It's not really an issue. I can still get everything I need in and out of there. But they open in, they don't open out. And again, with this bag, it's not an issue. If you don't have the Kawasaki bag, here, I'll just remove it real quick. Again, you can see how easy it is just to take that off and walk away with it, which is one of the good reasons to have the Viking bags. That's the look. And this is with the Corbin seat. But that's what it looks like without that top bag. Again, using the original holes. They line up really well. They don't stick out too high. It's almost like they were made for this bike. There's the spacing on the outside. And I thought about changing out this backlight, but with these bags, I think it looks good. And I get another view of the whole thing. And there it is, 2022 Vulcan S. It's a Viking 15999 kit with the Corbin seat. You can see that the seat sits higher than the bags, but really happy. They fit great. Weren't too bad to install. I think I did it in 2 hours. Used the original hardware, works fine. Very happy with what I got for the price. Thank you.